What's going on, guys? So we are back. We had our car Veronica off in the shop at Innovative Automotive. Shout out to Big Kevin. Kevin helped me out while I was at Innovative Automotive, and he's the one that actually put in the exhaust of this car. So we're gonna do a little sound clip of what the car actually sounds like now, with the open headers all the way back, and then whenever he actually finished it up, this is what the car is going to sound like whenever the new Magna Flows were put in. So enjoy the sound clip of open headers, and then enjoy the sound clip of going into the Magna Flow exhaust that he put in, as well as I'm going to go ahead and put some pictures in the descriptions and everything, so that you can actually look at the pictures of whenever he was actually going through and putting it on, and what the end result was.
Perfect.
So as you heard the car going through the revs and everything like that, it sounds really, really good. I love the deep tone of the Magna Flow. And then as well, the Lamborghini Aventador tip, which you can see back here. We had the Lamborghini Aventador tip, and we put it on there so that we have a little bit more uniqueness to the car on the backside for to complement the APR wing as well as the APR front splitter. So like I said, we're going through getting the car ready to go for 750 horsepower. That's my goal. That's my target goal with this car right now. So once 750 is hit, we're gonna take a little time, enjoy it while we can, and then hopefully in the near future we can go for some bigger numbers to get the car, 1,000 plus horsepower is what I want. But realistically with this car, you got to do turbo setup and all the other stuff with it. So just enjoy what we have, go through, do some more cosmetic stuff with Veronica, and then as well, we also got to put Michelle back together so that we can get her ready for the track for this season. So continue to enjoy more content as we go through. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe. This way you can get the newest content as to what we're doing with these cars.